Hello friends, today we are going to do the chart analysis of Alphabet, or as we known as Google class A shares, and this is the weekly chart pattern of Google, as you can see. And so we will try to do some technical analysis or support and resistance chart pattern to see that what are the patterns that has formed till now. So firstly, the things which you can see here is this is the consolidated range, and if you just make a support and resistance line over here, so you can see that this is the range, this is the range, and the company has made it has spent actually a pretty decent time in between this range. So if I just do time analysis, you can see that 735 and odd days, or this is a range of 105 bars in which it has spent time, and it has actually broken out in November 2019, and after that it has corrected and taken support in that resistance line, which now become a support line for Google. So the next thing which we could do by looking at this chart pattern is that this will be our support line, and we should probably consider this as a support line and take our trade on the higher side, and this will be the next resistance line, as we have around 1525 to 1530 odd levels. And as you can see, this is a pretty strong consolidation, and we have a breakout and a retest of that particular breakout and the next move, because as as far as time is concerned, it will take probably a couple of weeks. But right now, if you see the current market conditions where Fed is injected, all the central banks are injecting lots of liquidity, and Feds had recently cut the interest rate by 50 basis points, so it's a pretty damn big move, and which will propel the share prices higher, and it will propel the share prices higher in a very fast manner. So that is the consideration, or that are the things we should take into consideration. So this is the time frame. I have taken the weekly time frame, and this may take probably a couple of weeks, or you can consider it as months. So you just check this, you can check it out like this. And if we just make a line out of it, so next probable target, obviously this is going to be the target, but it could go higher and go up around 1600 30 to 50 odd levels, but it will take time. So this is the weekly chart pattern, and if we just try to look into the uh, this is the month daily chart pattern. So you can see, this thing pretty clear over here. So just a disclaimer, just want to post disclaimer so that I am very clear about what I'm saying, and you should take or do your own analysis. So just check it out, you will get a pretty clear picture. As you can see, and there is a pretty damn good up move from this support line, which previously was a resistance line, and the chart has respected the support and resistance line very beautifully. Just let me, you know if you just do like this, you'll see, or you can probably do like this, then you will see. Yep. So for the time being, I'm just doing like this, taking this into consideration. But as this will be the in weekly chart, this will be the resistance line. So what we can do here is we can take this also into consideration for the time being. So these trades will happen when the share price breaking up below a certain level, and this is a big move and it will take some time. So this is not a week or 2 week move. This probably takes couple of months, which we should consider, because it may happen in a jiffy, but it's better to consider a longer time frame so that we should mentally prepare and take the decisions accordingly. So you can see that the moves could probably be pretty big, and we are going to talk about the our stop losses as well, because if you can see here, this is the line, and this in between these two lines, these are our support lines, and if it break down, it will probably go over here, go over here. So we should be very careful about that and taking things accordingly. So this is a pretty small and introductory video about the share price pattern of Google or Alphabet, and I hope you have liked this analysis, and it will benefit you. If you are a new guy, or if you already have experience, so it must be an added advantage for you, or you just take a look and to refresh your memory and all of that. So this is pretty much about the video, and I want to finish the video for the time being, and I hope you have enjoyed it. So take care, and till next time we meet and meet something like this. So that's a pretty much from me, and have a nice day and take care of your family and friends.